If you're a freelancer or thinking of becoming one, the burning question on everyone's mind for 2025 is, what are the best freelancing skills to master right now? To answer that, I spent hours sifting through over 400 job postings on one of the biggest freelancing platforms in the world to see what clients are actually paying for. Watch this video to the end, and I will show you 4 skill categories that clients are scrambling for based on real data. Let's get started. First up, and probably no surprise, are AI and tech skills. Businesses of all sizes are trying to leverage AI to automate workflows, generate content, or build smarter systems. And they need freelancers to help them do it. Clients aren't just looking for someone to use ChatGPT. They're looking for specialists. Skills like Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning, API development, and AI agent development are seeing a surge in demand. Next, digital marketing skills. In a world where online presence is everything, businesses want to be seen, heard, and converted. Clients are looking for people who understand how to turn clicks into conversions. My Upwork deep dive revealed a huge appetite for these skills. If you can help a business grow its audience or drive sales, you'll always be in demand. Data analytics skills. In 2025, data is the new oil. But raw data is useless if you cannot make sense of it. Businesses are desperate for freelancers who can collect, interpret, and present data in a way that drives smart decisions. Skills like data science, data analytics, Python, machine learning, and statistics are in high demand. So, if you love numbers and can tell a story with data or turn raw data into actionable intelligence, this is an incredibly lucrative field. Last but not least, coding and development skills. The digital world runs on code, and someone needs to build and maintain it. The need for skilled developers is constant. There's a growing demand for freelancers who understand web development, API integration, JavaScript, web design, Python, web app dev. The digital infrastructure of the world relies on developers. So there you have it, some of the top freelancing skills in 2025, according to over 400 job listings on Upwork. But here's the secret sauce. While these skill categories are strong on their own, the real sweet spot for freelancers in 2025 lies in their intersections. You don't need to master them all. Just pick 1 or 2 of these categories that truly excite you and niche down. If you found this video helpful and want more tips like this, like and subscribe to this channel.